The next thing you want to do is remove this clamp over here and remove that hose at the back. Once you've done that, the next step then is to remove this electrical connector down here, and then you're going to remove this clamp over here and this air duct from the box. Then you'll notice that it has two clips over here that you'll remove. There's a hinge on the other side, and that will just open up for you. This pipe here should be pretty easy to get off. Just take off the clamp and then you can just wiggle off the pipe. There you go. It's just an air hose. It just slips right off. This electrical connector is just a clip. You just push down on the top and then you pull out and the whole thing comes out just like that. So this clamp is just a 10mm connector, and you just undo this right here. Just loosens it right up. Comes right off just like that. Then you undo the two clips on the side and the cover comes off just like that. Now what you want to do is just take off this clamp over here and this air hose. And then once you've removed that, there's the band clamp. It's also a 10mm nut that keeps the rest of the duct on there going into the air intake. Just loosen that right up. And then the whole thing comes out like so. Now just grab my trusty brake cleaner and spray that spring as well as those acceleration cables, taking away all the dirt and grime and making them shiny and new again. You can see how nice and clean that spring is right there, nice and silver and shiny. And just look at all that dirt down there. Oh my goodness.